Welcome to my channel Shiksha Samriddhi. Today's our topic A to Z alphabet with spellings. A for apple, APPLE apple. B for bat, BAT bat. C for cat, CAT cat. D for dog, DOG dog. E for elephant, ELEPHANT elephant. F for fish, FISH fish. G for gun, GUN gun. H for hen, HEN hen. I for ice cream, ICECREAM ice cream. J for joker, JOKER joker. K for kite, KITE kite. L for lion, LION lion. M for monkey, MONKEY monkey. N for nest, NEST nest. O for owl, OWL owl. P for peacock, PECOCK peacock. Q for queen, QUEEN queen. R for rose, ROSE rose. S for sheep, SHIP sheep. T for tiger, TIGER tiger. U for umbrella, UMBRELLA umbrella. V for van, VEN van. W for watch, WATCH watch. X for x-ray, XRAY x-ray. Y for yak, YAK yak. Z for zebra, ZEBRA zebra. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।